बिन मांगे दिया और इतना दिया, दामन में हमारे समाया नहीं, कुर्बान मैं उनकी बख्शिश की।
Love of motherland is an essential part of our faith. It is this love which makes distinct and do wonders in this world. Similarly, we love our dear homeland, and we love it more than our lives. We are willing to make any sacrifice that our dear country may need or demand. We resolve to serve her and to make her one of the strongest countries of the world, as wished, desired, and envisioned by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. To express our love for our country, we have prepared a national song, especially for this occasion. Our school choir will present this song to you. I would like to request Bilal Beg, Arsalan Shiraz, Faizan Butt, and Rabi'il Anwar to please come and present the song.
Pakistan
Principal, Colonel Retired Sayyid Nusrat Ali Shah Kazmi, Sitara Imtiaz Military, to please come and present the annual report before this august house. Sir, please.
Honorable Chief Guest, Chaudhry Abdul Majid, Prime Minister Azad Jammu and Kashmir, members, Court of Founders, Major Retired Shaukat Jilani Khan, President Chandbagh Foundation, Dr. Fazle Aleem, Chairman, Board of Governors, worthy members, Board of Governors, respected parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Myself and on behalf of staff and students of Chandbagh, I welcome you all on the 10th Founders Day of Chandbagh School. Extremely grateful to our worthy chief guest who, despite his busy schedule, acceded to our request to preside today's function. Sir, your presence on this auspicious occasion bears witness to your love for education and your keen interest in the affairs of youth, the future of Pakistan. Your Excellency, we feel honored by your benign presence. The Founders Day is dedicated to the loving memory of founding father, late General Ghulam Jilani Khan, and the founding members. General Ghulam Jilani Khan was a man of profound vision, a true patriot, dedicated to the cause of humanity. The establishment of this great institution is evidence of his strong pledge and credence in preferment of education in Pakistan. Distinguished guests, Founders Day is not merely a celebration or a tradition. It is the day of culmination, the day of attainment and flowering of the efforts of staff and students alike. The students are rewarded for their brilliant success in a public ceremony where the teachers find satisfaction in the applause their students receive on this particular day. On this occasion, it is my privilege to present to you the annual report of the progress of Chandbagh School and to acquaint you with some of our achievements of the academic year 2011-2012. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to apprise this august gathering with the academic performance of the outgoing batches of last year. During 2010-11, we started to gear up our focus on academics, and our efforts have produced wonderful results. We achieved 90% result in O-level with 55% A's and B's. We achieved an almost 100% pass percent in Urdu, computing, and addition mathematics. And our A-level results were equally good. Ashari Sheikh, Muhammad Sharafkar, Muhammad Ali Hussain, Sayyid Rahil, Sayyid Isa Mustafa, Azhar Rizvi, Walid Khalid, Muhammad Arslan Ishtiaq, Karam Malik, Uzair Abbas, Muhammad Hasib, Ali Hassan Bhatti, and Hassan Friedman produced very good results. Co-curricular activities. Despite the fact that our prime focus remained on academics, our students participated in a number of inter-school competitions and did exceedingly well in this area as well. In All Pakistan Elite Institution English Declamation Contest held at Cadet College, Ladkhana, Muhammad Ali Asif won consolation prize. At Eastern College, Lahore, Master Hussain Zia was declared first in Ghazal Goi. And Master Rabil Anwar got second position in Ghazal Sarai, competing with 30 leading schools of the country. Master Rabil Anwar also won third position in All Pakistan Music Festival organized by Beacon House School System, Canal Campus, Lahore. In 17-kilometer hiking competition arranged by Punjab White Scout Association, Sebastians displayed outstanding performance and bagged first 19th position among the participants of 22 schools. Again, in All Pakistan Inter-College Competition of Art held at Defence Degree College, Duran Khan from Balochistan of grade A got third position. Coming to sports, we give great importance to sports as we are well aware of the fact that a healthy boy ensures a healthy mind. That a healthy body ensures a healthy mind. We take care of the health of our boys and make them healthy and strong through regular physical training and sports. It is evident in our performance in the field of sports, as we have won all the sports competition and fixtures against the leading schools of Pakistan, like Pakistan Air Force Public School Sargodha, Chenab College Jung, and Head Start School Islamabad. Now briefly apprising you with academic strategy. Respected parents, it is my obligation to apprise you of the steps we have taken to improve our academic results. The daily routine aims at to maximize the potential of average and weak students by providing them extra coaching in the form of zero lessons, remedial classes, and special classes. The remedial classes are held in afternoons and evenings. These